What's up, everybody? This is a 1967 Alfa Romeo. It is a GT 1300 Junior, and this is going to be a track car. And apparently, one of the popular modifications on these is to reinforce the unibody with these stiffener plates everywhere on the inside and outside, where the steering box and all of the steering components are going to bolt to. And so the customer brought it to me, and he also brought me these drawings. There's four of them total. Here's two right here, and those are the stencils, I guess, or the designs of what the plates need to be. And so what I did was I stood right here and took a picture of it, and I imported that into Fusion 360, then cut them out over there on the CNC table. Um, yeah, and you can see they have a bunch of holes in them, so they all got plug welded and then seam sealed around the outside. I guess that's the way to do it. Also went and uh, welded all of that, tightened up all that around. Those were just spot welded, pinch welded. So yeah, we got the inside on both sides. Out here on the outside, I'm about to start putting the steering components back together and then put the wheels back on. I don't know much about these Alfa Romeos, but it's been it, it's a cool little car. I'm excited to see what this thing looks like when it's all back together, you know, and go for a ride in it, honestly, because it's just a neat. It's a real small car. Um, I don't know who did all that work, but yeah, that's it. That's the project I've been working on lately. And so, yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I'm excited to be finished with it and get it back to the customer. I know he's going to be happy.